Hello and welcome back for another 60-second review. Today we'll be reviewing the Magic Keyboard. Honestly, this thing, super useful. The keyboard sounds really nice too. The keys, real silent, but you get a tactile feel with them. And I got this last year for around $180. It was on sale, and I think it's way worth it for $180. But for the retail price of $300, not worth it. It's cool and it gives you different angles that you can use, but there's other options out there. Unless you're specifically wanting compatibility with Apple, because they build a magnificent system that you can't really use other things with. But the Logitech Combo is a great addition if you're not willing to fork over $300. For me personally, I would say it's a cop. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys later.